In this video, we can talk about top 5 Dall E 2 alternatives and competitors. If you're considering Dall E 2 for your image generation needs, but would like to explore other options, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 alternatives to Dall E 2 and compare their features to help you make an informed decision. The first alternative is Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI-powered image generation tool that uses machine learning to create images. It offers features like custom image styling, color matching, background removal, and creating 2D art. Its standout feature is its ability to generate high-quality images with less input compared to other tools. Second on our list is Craiyon. Craiyon is an image generation tool that uses GN to create high-quality images. It offers features like custom image resolution, image manipulation, and style transfer. It can generate human-like responses to text prompts and is particularly useful for chatbots, customer service, and support interactions. Third on our list is Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is an AI-powered image generation tool that offers features like automatic image recognition, image generation, and customization. Its standout feature is its ability to generate images based on text descriptions, making it a great tool for content creators. Fourth on our list is dreambywombo. Dreambywombo is a text-to-image AI art generator that produces original artworks depending on a text prompt. It offers features like customized filters and effects, face manipulation, advanced editing tools, and integration with social media. Its standout feature is its ability to generate images of people that look realistic. Fifth on our list is Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is an AI-powered image generation tool capable of generating stunning realistic art by using text input. It offers features like colorization, image restoration, and image modification. Its standout feature is its ability to generate diverse images that vary in style, composition, and perspective.
Compared to Dall E 2, Midjourney offers a more specialized solution for visual content creation, while Craiyon provides a unique AI-powered design solution. Adobe Firefly is similar to Dall E 2 in terms of its AI-powered creative capabilities, but it also offers a more comprehensive set of design tools. Dreambywombo provides a more user-friendly and accessible design solution for non-professionals, while Stable Diffusion is a more specialized solution for generating high-quality images using AI.
If you're looking for a comprehensive AI-powered design solution that also offers a wide range of design tools, we recommend Adobe Firefly as the best alternative to Dall E 2. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.